Hey everyone, today we are hailing a cab and diving into the fast-paced world of Ticket to Ride New York. It's a super quick, really fun game for 2 to 4 players, and you're about to learn how to play it right now.
Yep, you heard that right. My whole goal here is to get you from just opening the box to actually playing your first game in just a couple of minutes. So let's dive right in.
So, what are you trying to do? It's simple. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. That's it.
And how do you get those points? Well, there are 3 main ways. You'll be claiming routes between all the famous locations, completing your secret destination tickets, and connecting your network to tourist attractions.
First things first, let's get the game on the table. The setup is really fast. Just 4 simple steps and you're ready to go.
All right, step 1. Everyone picks a color and takes their 15 matching taxis. 2. Shuffle up the transportation cards and deal 2 to every player. 3. You're going to lay 5 of those cards face up next to the board. And 4. Shuffle the destination tickets and deal 2 of them to each person.
And right away, you've got your first big decision. Look at those 2 destination tickets you were just dealt. You have to keep at least one of them, but you can totally keep both if you're feeling adventurous. Any you don't want just go on the bottom of the deck. And remember, keep them secret.
Okay, setup is done. So what do you actually do when it's your turn? It's pretty straightforward. You're going to pick one and only one of 3 possible actions. So, what are your choices? You can draw more transportation cards to fill up your hand, you can claim a route on the board, which gets you points right away, or you can draw new destination tickets to try and get a big score at the end of the game. Just one of these per turn.
Let's break down that first action, drawing cards. It's super easy. You just take 2. You can grab any of the ones you can see in the face-up row, or you can take a blind draw from the top of the deck. You can even take one of each if you want.
Now, there's a really important rule about these rainbow-colored taxi cards. They're wild, so they can be any color you need, but there's a catch. If you take a face-up taxi from the row, that's your entire turn. You only get that one card. It's powerful, but it costs you your second draw. Now, if you get a wild taxi from the face-down deck, that's just fine. It counts as your first card, and you still get another one.
All right, your second option, claim a route. This is the main way you'll be playing the game. You just play a set of cards from your hand that matches the color and the number of spaces on an open route. So to claim that 3-space blue route, you'd play 3 blue cards and then place 3 of your plastic taxis right on top of it.
The best part about claiming routes is that you score points immediately. And check this out. Longer routes are worth way more. A 1-taxi route gets you 1 point, sure, but a 3-taxi route jumps to 4 points, and a 4-taxi route gets you a massive 7 points.
And your third and final choice of action is to draw more destination tickets. This works exactly like it did in setup. You'll draw 2 new tickets from the top of the deck, and you have to keep at least one of them. Of course, you can always choose to keep both.
But this is where things get a little tense. If you successfully connect the 2 locations on your ticket by the end of the game, you get those points added to your score. But, and this is a big but, if you fail to connect them, you lose that many points. It's a high-risk, high-reward move that can absolutely win or lose you the game.
So you keep taking turns, claiming routes. But how does the game actually end? Well, it all comes down to how many taxis you have left in your supply. The magic number to remember is 2. The moment any player ends their turn and has 2, 1, or even 0 taxis left, that triggers the final round of the game.
Now, the game doesn't stop immediately. Once the end is triggered, every single player, including the person who triggered it, gets one last turn. This is your final chance to complete a ticket or snag a few extra points.
Once everyone has taken that final turn, pencils down. It's time to add up all the points and see who came out on top.
The scoring is done in 3 quick steps.
First, add up the points from all the routes you claimed. Second, it's the big reveal. Everyone shows their destination tickets. You add points for the ones you finished and subtract points for the ones you didn't. And finally, you get 1 bonus point for every tourist attraction your routes are connected to.
And it's as simple as that. The player with the highest score is the winner and the new king of New York transportation.
Oh, and if there happens to be a tie, the player who completed the most destination tickets wins the game.
Before you get started, just a few quick reminders. Those gray colored routes can be claimed with a set of cards of any single color. If you're playing with only 2 people, remember that on the double routes, only one of the paths can be used. And just to say it again, those rainbow taxi cards are wild. They can be any color you need.
And that is everything you need to know. You are officially ready to hit the streets and play your first game of Ticket to Ride New York.
So, now that you know how it works, what's your opening move going to be? Are you going to play it safe? Focus on short routes? Go for those big high point routes? Or are you going to gamble on those destination tickets? The city's waiting.